dozens of restaurants, dozens of choices. Emma is about to order fast food in English for the first time, a combo, drive-through, for here or to go. Tom is right there to help. Let's begin.
Emma, look. There are so many restaurants in this shopping center.
Yes. Which one should we go to for food?
I want a burger. I spotted Burger House. What do you think?
Burger House sounds good, but I've never ordered there before.
Don't worry, it's really easy. Let's look at the menu first.
Okay, there are so many choices. What's a combo?
A combo means a burger plus French fries plus a drink. They all come together.
Oh, I see. That looks better. Is it cheaper?
Usually, yes, it's better value than ordering separately.
Great. I want a combo too. Let's go inside.
Look, there's a queue, but it's not too long.
Tom, I don't know what to say to the cashier.
It's very simple. The cashier greets you, then asks what you want.
What do they ask?
Usually, what can I get for you today? It means what would you like to order?
I see. And then?
Then the cashier asks you for here or to go.
What does that mean?
For here means you'll eat inside. To go means you're taking the food home.
Since we're eating here, I'll say for here.
Exactly. Ready? Our turn is coming up.
Hi, welcome to Burger House. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a cheeseburger combo, please?
Sure. What size? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
And for your drink?
A Coke, please.
Got it. Anything else?
Yes, my friend wants to order too.
Hi, can I get a chicken burger combo, please? Medium size.
Of course. And your drink?
Orange juice, please.
Great. For here or to go?
For here.
Perfect. Your total is $18.50.
Cash or card?
Both are fine.
Card, please.
Go ahead and tap your card right here.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Done. Here's your receipt. Your order number is 47.
Where do we wait?
Just right over there. We'll call your number when it's ready.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy your meal.
You too.
Tom, the cashier is working. Is it right to say you too?
Technically, no, but everyone says it. It's fine.
Tom, what's that kiosk? That big screen.
A kiosk is an ordering machine. You can place your order there without going to the cashier.
You place your own order? Without a cashier?
Yes, you touch the screen. You choose what you want, then you pay.
That looks easier. Why did we go to the counter?
The kiosk can get a bit complicated. The counter is better for the first time.
That makes sense. I'll try the kiosk next time I come.
Yes. The words on the kiosk are simple too. Like combo, add, size, checkout.
What does add mean?
It means to add something extra. For example, add bacon means add bacon.
Got it. And checkout?
It means finish your order and pay.
What about customize?
To personalize. For example, no onions or extra sauce.
Order number 47.
That's us. Let's go.
That came really fast.
Yes, fast food really is fast here.
Tom, I need to get ketchup for the fries. Where is it?
It should be next to the drink station. Let's take a look.
I can't find it. Should I ask a staff member?
Go ahead. It's a very easy question.
Okay, excuse me. Where is the ketchup?
It's right over there, next to the napkins.
Thank you.
Of course. Help yourself.
Tom, what does help yourself mean?
It means take as much as you like. It's free. You can take it freely.
We're finally sitting down. I was so hungry.
Me too. Let's eat.
Tom, I forgot to get napkins. Where are the napkins?
Next to the drink station. I'll get them. Hold on.
Thanks. I also want to get some sauce. What sauces are there?
Usually barbecue, ranch, sweet and sour, and honey mustard.
What does sweet and sour mean?
It's a sweet and tangy sauce. It goes really well with chicken.
Then I'll try that one. But let me take a bite first.
How is it?
So delicious. The chicken burger is amazing.
Burger House is always like this. I've never been disappointed.
Tom, what's a drive-through? I saw it outside.
It's where you order from your car. You can get food without getting out of the car?
Really? How does a car order?
There's a microphone. You speak into it. The staff member hears you.
What does the staff member say?
It starts like this. Hi, welcome to Burger House. Go ahead and order when you're ready.
It means order whenever you're ready.
Then you say your order. The staff member repeats it back. So there's no misunderstanding.
And then,
They say the total. They say, please pull up to the next window.
it means come to the next window.
Yes. You pay there and pick up your food.
You're doing great so far. Quick pause. Hi everyone, I'm Daniel, and I'm here to help you learn English the easy way. Did you notice the word combo? Combo means a burger plus French fries plus a drink all together. Ryan asked Tom at the counter, "Would you like to make that a combo?" It's usually cheaper than ordering separately. A word you'll hear a lot at fast food restaurants. A small grammar note. Ryan said, "Would you like to make that a combo?" Would you like is a very polite question form. Do you want is more direct and short. Both are correct, but would you like is more polite. Restaurant, cafe, shop. You'll hear it everywhere. Would you like to make that a combo? Would you like to make that a combo? Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink? Now, do you remember the question from the beginning? What should I say if I can't understand the staff at the drive-thru? The answer is coming up very soon. Listen carefully. Even a single word is perfect. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. Ready? Let's continue.
So what do you do if you can't understand the staff at the drive-thru?
You say this. Sorry. Could you say that one more time?
It means excuse me. Could you say that again?
Or you can say, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. It means I didn't understand.
And no one gets upset?
No. You're asking politely. Everyone understands.
What if I got the size wrong?
You ask, was that a medium or a large?
Very practical. I want to try the drive-thru too.
Next time we come by car, we'll try it.
Tom, the cashier said to us, "Would you like to try our new spicy chicken sandwich?" What does that mean?
It means, would you like to try our new spicy chicken sandwich?
Why did they ask?
This is called upselling. It means suggesting something extra.
So the cashier doesn't just take orders, they also recommend products.
Yes, they say things like, we have apple pie on special today.
It means today's apple pie is on offer. What if I don't want it?
No, thank you, that's all. Simple and polite.
And the cashier doesn't get upset?
No, it's part of the job. They do it hundreds of times every day.
Tom, the cashier said, "Anything else?" to us. Did it mean anything else?
Yes, it means, would you like anything else? Or they say, is that everything?
Are they the same?
Yes, both are the same. It means, is there anything else you'd like?
What can I say in reply?
No, that's it. It means that's everything. Very short and clear.
And what do they say for the total?
Your total is, then they say the amount. For example, your total is $8.50.
8.50 means $8.50?
Yes, they don't say dollars and cents. Everything's fast at fast food.
Tom, I need to fill up my drink. How do I do it?
Look, there's a big machine over there. You choose your drink from it.
Do I fill it myself?
Yes, you put your cup in. Press the button. It comes out.
Very practical. Is there lemonade?
Usually, yes. Look at the screen. The options are listed.
Found it. Lemonade. Is that limonata?
Yes. Press that.
Okay, I filled it. Isn't it a bit too full?
It's a little overfull. No problem. Take a sip.
Very sweet, but nice.
Fill it a little less next time.
Tom, the fries are getting cold. Eat up.
You're right. Everything should be eaten hot at fast food.
What's patates kızartması in English?
French fries, or just fries for short.
What's a nugget?
A piece of chicken. Small fried chicken.
And onion rings?
Fried onion rings. Very popular.
I've learned so much today.
Fast food words are actually very simple.
Yes. And I learned it all through real experience today. Tom, I want something sweet. Is there any dessert here?
Yes, there's usually apple pie or a milkshake.
A milkshake. I want that. Shall I go and order?
Sure, try it alone this time.
Okay, I'm not scared anymore.
Well done. Just say this. Can I get a milkshake, please?
And will the cashier ask for the size?
Probably. They'll say, what size? You'll say, medium, please.
Got it. And do they ask for the flavor too?
Yes, like chocolate, vanilla, strawberry.
I want chocolate. Chocolate milkshake, medium, please.
Perfect. Off you go. I'll be watching.
Hi again. What can I get for you?
Hi. Can I get a chocolate milkshake, please?
Of course. What size? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Your total is $4.50.
Card, please.
Go ahead and tap here.
Done.
Great. Your milkshake will be ready in just a moment.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Bravo, Emma. You did really well.
Thank you. It was much easier than I thought.
See? Just a few sentences is all it takes.
Can I get what size? Anything else? Your total. That's all there is to it.
Exactly. And you learned it all through real experience today.
It's so different from learning from a book.
Practicing in real life is the best way.
I want to try the drive-through next time.
You can do it. You managed the counter today. The drive-through is even easier
Really? How can it be easier?
because they can only hear your voice. They can't see your face. Less pressure.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Order number 55. Milkshake ready.
I'll get it. Be right back.
Okay,
Here it is. It's so big.
that's what a medium looks like. Imagine if it were large.
Let me take a sip. So creamy and so delicious.
Burger House's milkshakes are famous
Why haven't I come here before?
because you were scared to order in English.
You're right, but I'm not scared anymore.
And today you both learned and had something nice to eat.
Both at once. It turned out to be a great afternoon.
Emma, let's go over everything you learned today.
Okay, the cashier greets you first. Hi, welcome to Burger House.
Then,
What can I get for you today? They ask what you'd like to order.
What do you say?
Can I get a... And then I say my order.
If they ask for the size,
Small, medium, or large, I say medium.
if they ask for anything else,
If they say anything else, I say no, that's it.
payment,
Your total is... Then I say card and tap my card.
and are you eating in?
For the for here or to go question, I say for here.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
Tom, I have one more question before we leave.
Go ahead.
If the cashier offers me something extra and I don't want it, what do I say?
No, thank you. That's all. Short and polite. The cashier understands.
So I don't need to give a long explanation.
No, short answers are much better at fast food.
And when is help yourself used?
When you want to say someone can take something freely, like ketchup or napkins,
Got it? I learned so much today. Thank you, Tom.
don't mention it. You learn really fast,
What a great afternoon. We ate and we learned.
and Emma ordered in English all by herself for the first time.
Yes, I'm so proud of myself.
You should be. We'll try the drive-thru next time.
Promise?
Promise. But first we need a car.
Okay, and let's try the kiosk next time too.
The kiosk is very easy. You look at the screen, choose, and pay.
And you don't need to talk to anyone.
Yes, but talking is nicer. You get to practice.
You're right. I prefer talking now.
That's it. Fast food English is easy for you now.
Yes. And next time, Emma orders and you watch.
Deal.
I hope you enjoyed today's conversation and learned some new English words. Before we finish, let's quickly go over 3 key words from today's story. First word, combo. A menu where a burger, French fries, and a drink are sold together, usually cheaper than ordering separately. The cashier asks, "Would you like to make that a combo?" Tom chose a medium combo today. Second word, for here or to go. The cashier asks this after every order. For here means you'll eat inside the restaurant. To go means you'll take the food home. Some places also say takeout, same meaning. Emma said for here today. Third word, help yourself. It means you can take something freely. Lisa said help yourself for the ketchup. Napkins, ketchup, sauce. A phrase you'll hear a lot for these things. Now let's come back to our question. What should I say if I can't understand the staff at the drive-thru? Did you find the answer? Write it in the comments. I read everyone. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.